monsoon in Chiang Mai. We wanted to show you what it looks like. Basically, the rain started 5 minutes ago, and it started with just a few drops. And after 1 minute, it came down like this. And this is what we experience all the time in Chiang Mai. You see people driving in the scooters on the way home from work or in their cars, well, especially on the scooters, of course, because we're out in the rain. And all of a sudden you feel a few drops and you start speeding up and you look at the sky and you know that it's black and you know that, okay, I got about 5 minutes to get back to home before the rain will completely go crazy. So I've been driving many times, and as you can see here on our balcony, so there's lots of water, and you see we had just in the beginning of the rainy season, Thomas was at home because he worked from home and I was at work, and it was raining heavily for hours. And so I decided to leave work because I didn't want to be there anymore. So I drove home in the rain in about 20 centimeters rain, like this. And when I got home, Thomas was in his shorts on the balcony, just like I am now. But he was pumping that little drain over there in the corner, trying to get old leaves and everything free from it because it had been blocked during the dry season. And the whole balcony was flooded with water, and our bedroom was flooded with water. And yeah, basically Thomas was in quite a foul mood. It's now an hour after the rain stopped, and we're going to go for a ride out into the countryside on the motorcycle. And on the way out of our neighborhood, we're going to show you what the streets look like after the rain.